Hi, my name is Annie and I'm a project manager in the marketing industry. Today I'm going to show you how to search across different channels, projects, and workspaces with our Cross-Workspace Search Bar. Here in the social media channel, Kim has asked about an article somebody posted. Let's see if we can help her track it down. I do remember seeing it, but I'm not sure where, so I'm going to leave a reaction to this post, and then I'm going to hit this icon in the top left, which will take me out to the organization level of Swit. Here you can see the entire organization. So if you think of my Swit as a building, these workspaces are kind of like floors that house each department. It's so nice to have access to these floors when I need it because it allows for easy collaboration across teams. Now instead of having to click into each workspace, channel, project, task, etc., which would take up lots of valuable time, I'll simply go into this Cross-Workspace search bar here. This allows me to search across the entire platform at one time. Before my company adopted Swit, I used to spend so much time digging through emails, chat apps, meeting notes, and more just to find a specific conversation. Now it takes me a third of the time and just one simple click by being able to come here and do one collective search. Here I'm going to enter trend and see what I can find. You can see that it gives me results from projects, channels, and all different workspaces. Here's the one we're after. It was in the marketing workspace. I'm going to click into it. Okay, so I was right. This was the post Kim was looking for. Now, instead of having to copy and paste, Swit allows me to share this post. It's so nice to be able to share across workspaces. This saves me so many clicks. Here, I need to select share. Now I'm going to the channel. I will add a comment and let Kim know that I found what she was after. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoy the Cross-Workspace search function.